Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change YouTube profile picture. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on YouTube app. Okay, tap on profile icon. Click on this profile and tap on this option and click on profile camera option and choose from your photos. Okay, scroll down, just click, tap on save. Okay, then back, loading this page, wait few seconds and change YouTube profile picture. That's all. Okay, that's change your picture. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.